Okay, we're about to go through the rocks. Now we're gonna rock crawl. Let's see what we can do. All right, let's go.
You get seriously stuck in these. Mine really has no power. I'm stuck, as you can see.
I'm gonna come and get you out. Oh,
I got nothing to do.
I'm gonna try to cut you out. Could you?
I got really low battery right now. As you can see, I'm stuck. As you can see, Luke.
I got him out.
As you can see, I'm stuck again.
And this is why we call it rock crawling. Lucky for me, my phone.
I'm gonna carry it off. And that's how our cars roll. Yeah. Now I'm stuck again. These are thick rocks. Really, as you can see, there's holes in it.
Now I'm gonna head on. And I can see as I got through, and let's see how far Cody got. And he's still working on it. But, well, we'll see you next time. This is RC Off-Road, On-Road, Water and Air. See you next time. RC.
Luke and Cody make the adventure.
Off-Road, On-Road, Water and Air. See you next time. Maybe next time we'll have a little special for you.